given that solution here, if x is equal to 6 theta, then find the value of x to the power of 6 plus 1 by x to the power of 6. Here x is equal to what given, 6 theta, so it will become cos theta plus I sin theta, no? So here x power of 6 means cos theta plus I sin theta whole power of 6 will come. So in this cos 6 theta plus I sin theta will come here. Okay, now from this 1 by x to the power of 6, it will become x to the power of minus 6, means it will become, what will get means cos 6 theta minus I sin theta will get here. Okay na? So here he asking us to find this value. So means x to the power of 6 plus 1 by x to the power of 6 is equal to cos theta cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta. So there 6 theta, okay, and for minus of like this 60 cos 6 theta minus I, like we have to do plus, no? So this plus, so here will become plus I sin theta, sin 6 theta, this is also 6 theta, here this will come. Okay, now cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta plus cos 6 theta minus I sin 6 theta. So these two will get cancelled, it will become 2 cos 6 theta will come here, where x power of 6 plus 1 by x power of 6 is equal to. So this is answer here. Now here second one is find the cube roots of 8. Solution here, find the cube roots of 8. Here let x is equal to x cube root, means x cube is equal to 8 here. Okay, cube root he asking us to find, no? So x is equal to 8 power of 1 by 3 will come, so it will become goes there and it will become power will goes here, and okay. Now in this I will take x cube, this x 8 power of 3 na, so it will, I will write it as 2 power of 3 whole power of 1 by 3 I will write. So in this we think that 1 is there and 2 power of 3 by so 3 by 3 into 1 power of 1 by 3 will come like this. So to get cancelled, 2 into 1 power of 1 by 3 will come. So here's cube roots. So cube roots, what are the cube roots here? Cube roots are here 1 comma omega square. I already told you. So cube roots of like one given question is here, like what we can say. So I will tell you this. Here cube roots, whenever it like this 1 comma ikkada undi, cube roots of unity is 1 comma omega square. So this I wrote here, so please concentration on this one. So here cube roots will come 1 comma 3 comma 1 comma omega square. I will multiply with this one. So 2 comma 2 omega square are the cube roots of 8. Okay, cube roots of 8 omega, this one, not w, omega square. Now moving to the next question. Now fourth question is given that if 1 comma omega square are the cube roots of the unity, he is saying that, and then prove that he want to prove us to from this to this. Okay, now solution here. So 1 by 2 plus omega and plus 1 by and 1 plus 2 omega is equal to 1 by 1 plus omega, we have to show now, prove. Okay, now here omega is the cube root. Okay na, cube root, then values will become 1 plus omega square is equal to here 0 will come, omega cube is equal to 1 come. Okay, so first we will take LHS here and it will become 1 by 2 plus omega plus 1 by 1 plus 2 omega will come is equal to cross multiplication between 1 plus 2 omega divided by plus 2 plus omega divided by, so this multiplication like 2 plus omega into 1 plus 2 omega here will come here. So from this we'll do one thing, it will become 3 plus 3 omega will come and divided by 2 1 2 will become, and 2 into 2 4 omega, and omega into plus omega, and omega into plus 2 omega square will come here. So from this 3 into 1 plus omega will come and divided by here 2 plus here 2 plus 2 omega plus 2 omega I will write plus omega square will there. So from this 3 into 1 plus omega divided by here I will common 2 from this one and this one, and here this 2 omega square runs from this one. It will become 1 plus omega square will come. So here 2 omega plus 3 omega will remain here. Okay, now in this 3 into 1 plus omega divided by what will get here, this total will become 0. So means 2 into 0 will plus 3 omega square will come here. So this is not omega square, this is 3 omega only. So it will become 1 plus omega. So from this it will goes here, 1 plus omega is equal to minus omega square will come now. So I will write here 3 minus omega square divided by 3 omega. So 3 1 get cancelled, 3 omega minus omega will remain here, 1 omega. So here what we have to prove, this one, no. So for this I will do one thing here. I will multiply with the 1 plus omega divided by 1 plus omega. So it will become minus omega plus omega square will come, minus omega square divided by 1 plus omega. So from this I will write it as 1 is equal to minus omega square from this. Okay, so it will become 1 will come up numerator plus 1 by omega will come here denominator. So this is answer here. Now moving to the next question. In the fourth bit, this is first one and second one we are going to find now. Now second question is given, that solution here. So 2 omega into 2 minus omega square into 2 minus omega power of 10 into 2 power of 2 minus omega power of 11 is equal to 49 we have to show here. Now here solution, I will take this one first. Here 2 minus omega power of 10, okay, is equal to 2 minus omega power of 3 whole power of 3 into omega I will write here. So it will become 2 minus omega power of 3 is equal to 1. 1 plus omega square is equal to 0, no, like that omega cube is equal to 1 also here. So in this place 1 I will submit, it will become minus 1 whole power of cube into omega. So it will become 2 minus omega will come here. Now 2 minus omega power of 11 is there one thing. So it will become 2 minus omega power of 3 whole power of 3 into omega square I will write. So 3 3 is 9 here, 9 plus 2 here 11. So 11 omega power of 11. And it will become 2 minus this will become total 1 whole power of 3 into omega square. So it will become 2 minus omega square will come here. Now what we have got, values of this one is equal to 2 minus omega and into 2 minus, for this one 2 minus omega square. So we'll do multiply with this one. So here also 2 minus omega square only, all multiply only there. So this term 1 and this term second I will think that, and I will first do of these both. Here 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega square I will multiply here. 2 2 ja 4 and 2 into omega square minus 2 omega square, 2 into omega into 2 minus 2 omega, and minus into minus plus omega cube here. So this into this here, this one. So it will become 4 minus 2 omega square minus 2 omega plus w cube is equal to 1 here. Here 4 in minus 2 into omega square minus plus omega will come plus 1 here. So this will become here from this one. This is equal to it, 1 will goes there, it will become minus 1 will come now. So omega plus omega square is equal to minus 1 will come here. So like this I will submit in this one. 4 minus 2 of minus 1 will come plus 1 will come is equal to minus 1 into minus 2 minus plus 2. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 7 will come. So where these two values multiply to, again two values are there here also. So these two values will become 7 into 7 will come. Here 7 into 7 is equal to 49 will come here. So what he asked us to find, 49 only. So this is the answer here. Now moving to the next question. Now third question is given that x plus y plus z into x plus y omega plus z omega square plus into x plus y omega square plus z omega is equal to, we have to show this one. Now here solution. So I will take these two terms to multiply here, and here solution will come x plus y omega plus z omega square into x plus y omega square plus z omega will come here. So I will take this and I will show this one. Okay. Now here I will multiply with this x into x square here, and x into this one plus x y omega square multiplying this one, and x into z omega plus xz omega will come. I am writing like 2, so it will become this. Now here yw I will multiply this total xy w xy omega, so this y omega into x, this one. So y omega into y omega square means y square omega cube will come here. Now y omega into z omega, so here plus yz omega square will come here. Now this over and z omega square will become plus z x omega square plus z this one like yz omega cube, so this yz, okay, omega cube, omega power of 4 will come here. Okay, this square and this square, so here this is square and this square is there, so that why. So z omega square into z omega, so z omega square omega cube will come. So from this here x y omega square, this is square here, so this x square I will write here directly plus y square omega cube is equal to 1, no, we already know omega cube is equal to 1, so y square into 1 I will write plus here z square into omega cube means z square I will write here into 1 plus. So here one thing I will do here, what that thing means, I will common xy common to, so where in xy also there, so here also there xy, so xy will common to but w square plus omega square plus omega 1, omega will come here. Now after that yz I will common, so plus y z I will common, so it will become omega yz, where is the yz, here yz omega square plus omega will come here. So if I common xy yz zx common, so it will become zx is there and zx is there, so here the omega square plus omega will come here again. So from this x square plus y square plus z square plus omega square, so 1 plus omega square is equal to, already we know, so here this will goes here to minus 1, omega plus omega square is equal to minus 1 will come. Okay, so it will become minus 1, so plus xy into minus 1 plus yz into minus 1 plus zx into minus 1 will come here. So total answer is x square plus y square plus z square plus minus xy minus yz minus zx will come here. So this is one thing we got here, and now so this into this, okay, x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square and minus xy minus yz minus zx is equal to what will come answer, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz will come. So this is answer here. So if you do x plus y into this total, so we'll get answer. This is idea, this algebraic expression, so that's I will write here, C once. So that is a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to what we'll get here, so a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3xy will get here, 3xyz will get here, like 3abc will get here. So this is what we have to show now. So from this to, so from this, so same answer will got here. So this is algebraic expression, okay na. So this is the end of like today's session. I will complete here. So I completed 2b section 1 question, 2 question, 3rd question and 4th question completed. In this 5 questions are there. Now second question only here, second question only 1 question, this one, and third section is 2 questions, third bit and fourth bit is 3 questions. This all completed, 5 and 6 8 11 questions completed in this video. Now